Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how to transfer Toncoin from Binance to Tonkeeper. So if you want to transfer your Toncoin from your Binance app to your Tonkeeper, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that your Binance app is on Binance Lite, not Binance Pro. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on the portfolio. Sometimes the portfolio will be wallet, not both of them are same thing. So if you want to transfer Toncoin from your Binance app to your Tonkeeper, so select USDT. So now the next thing you have to do is to tap on convert in order to convert your USDT to Tom. So you select the currency that you want to work with. So the first one there is USDT and the second one is Tom. So now you can now convert it, trade, enter the amount you want to convert, and then convert it. When you enter the amount, it will trade. After trading it, you can now go back. After converting it to Tom, you have to go back. Then when you go back to your portfolio, you search for, since there is no withdraw, you tap on take out, tap on withdraw. Now search for Tom. Let me see if I'll get Tom from this place. Okay, yes, I got Tom. So the next thing you have to do, is to enter the address you copy from your Tonkeeper, and if there is memo, you write it and write the minimum amount that you want to withdraw. What I mean is this. Let's go to our Tonkeeper. So on my Tonkeeper, all I have to do is only tap on receive, and when I tap on receive, I'll copy the address, go back to my Binance, app, and paste. And when I paste it, I'll write the network, Toncoin network. So I'll paste the address for my Tonkeeper here and write the network. It should be the same network so that I will not lose the money. Then the next thing is to make sure that this don't have memo. This Toncoin don't have memo, so there's no memo. I write the amount that I want to withdraw, and it's going to cost me a gas fee. It will require a gas fee, and you're going to be asked to input your code of Gmail and the authentication for verification, the code from your Gmail and the authentication app for verification of the transaction. So when you enter all these details, the transaction will take place, and then you will receive your Tom on your Tonkeeper. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.